Do you want to learn more about Sound Scouts? Join us as we explore how to test your child's hearing with the Sound Scouts app. Hey there, I'm Emily. Do you have a good pair of adult headphones and a smartphone or tablet? Yes? It sounds like you're ready to go. When choosing headphones, avoid children's and gaming headphones. They can affect the sound in the game and may negatively impact test results. Sound Scouts is free thanks to funding from the Department of Health. Jump onto the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device, and download Sound Scouts by searching for it. Alternatively, visit our website on your device and click the download button from there. Once you've downloaded the app and you're ready to start, sit your child down in a quiet space, away from any background noise like air conditioners or busy roads. Make sure your child has eaten, is well rested and ready to test. Avoid testing younger children in the evening as they may be too tired. Once you're set up to play, go over the trial run with your child. This is a quick activity that helps familiarise your child with the game. You'll see the trial run as you progress through the setup. You can also find it under the Info tab. Complete the Supervisor Test yourself. Or, if you have a known hearing issue, it's better to ask another adult with good hearing to do it. The Supervisor Test is designed to set the levels for the test and takes only a minute or two to complete. Once you've finished, do not adjust the volume. Now it's time to test your child. Before you click start, tell your child that the sounds can get quieter and quieter, and sometimes they may not hear anything at all.
Airplane. Ice cream.
Try not to interfere with the testing process. If your child seems confused, reassure them by giving them a gentle tap on the shoulder and point to your ears to encourage listening. If you need to, remind your child that it's normal to not always hear something. You can't pause the test, but if something has gone wrong and you need to restart, you can quit the game by tapping 3 times on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once the test is finished, you will receive an auto-generated report of your child's listening abilities. If the results indicate any hearing issues, we recommend retesting after 24 hours. If the child does not pass the second test, the report will provide you with guidance on what to do next. Learn more about Sound Scouts by heading to our website or finding us on Instagram and Facebook.